What up, y'all? It's your boy Vic from the Sack Black Nation Station. Hope you're having a good day, good week, good month, and a good year. As you come in, go ahead and hit that like, hit that share, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button if you want to be notified when you got the next videos coming out. Once again, hit that like, hit that share, the subscribe button, hit the notification button when you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. So you understand what we do on this channel. What we do is we try to get you from millionaire status, from despair to millionaire status, and really what we want to do is just give you an idea on how you can get from where you are to where you want to go, as far as getting solely involved in building black wealth. So right now we just want to give you a quick update on where we are with our Acorn challenge, and that's using the $5 to $15,000 challenge, and that's putting $5 into your Acorn account every single day, 365 days out of the year, letting it grow over time. That account is traded on the stock market, and we just let it grow over time. So this is not about me trying to floss. This is not about me trying to tell you what to do. We just show you what we do to move ourselves into a better financial situation. So I had a conversation with somebody the other day where we were just talking about $5. I said, hey, why don't you get involved with the Acorn challenge, where you put $5 every single day, 365 days out of the year, into an Acorn account. And what they were saying was $5 every single day. Man, that's kind of crazy. I'm saying, well, you can blow off $5 like it's nobody business. You can go over to Starbucks and grab you a latte. That's $5. You can go over and get you a Java Juice and get you a little medium. That's over $5. You're going to use $5 throughout the day, and you will have no idea where it goes. I say, why don't you wake up in the morning paying yourself $5 every single day into an Acorn account and letting that account build over time. You're going to have over $1,500 every single year just by getting involved with an Acorn account where you pay yourself $5 every single day. They kind of got the concept, and they said, yeah, you know what, I see where you're coming from. So this is where we want you guys to go. We don't want you to be the average person. We want you to be far beyond average. We want you, instead of having less than $400 available to you at any given time, which is what the average person has. They do not have $400 that at their disposal at any given time. We want you guys to be far beyond average. We want you to have $1,000 at your disposal at any given time, and that's why we want you to get involved with the Acorn challenge. We're going to put the link below where you can get involved in the Acorn challenge, and I'm going to let you know that Acorn will actually give you $5 just to start today. Disclosure, they'll give me $5 for even telling you about it, but they're going to give you $5 just to start today. You let that thing go on cruise control automatic, and let that $5 just, or whatever, $5, $2, $3, you decide what you want to put into your account, and you let that thing on cruise control just build over time. And that's what we want you guys to do. We want you to go from $5, simple $5, into your account that you start today, and let that thing build to over $15,000, 15 grand. Just let it build over time. And if you do it consistently over time, your account will grow, and you will not have not one problem with money. You won't have problem with black wealth. You won't have problems with wealth at all, because you're letting that $5 grow to 15 grand if you consistently do what it is that you need to do for letting that thing just grow on cruise control. This is not about a sprint. This is totally about a marathon. Getting your kids involved, getting your grandkids involved, getting your husband or your wife involved. We are getting involved with growing black wealth, and that's what we do here on the Sack Black Nation every single day. So we want you guys to get involved right now today, and we're going to show you over time what we were able to do just by putting $5 into an account every single day, 365 days out of the year. And we've been doing this for a few years now, and we're just going to let you know where we are with our Acorn account. I'm sorry, I'm looking away, but that's just for me to get the information that you actually need, so you'll see. So I'm gonna let you guys know that this account has grown to $3,129, and we're going to give you guys an update every time this account goes up $100. So it's grown to $3,129. $3,129, and that's just by putting $5 into an account a day. Don't trip about where you are right now. Don't trip because you didn't start with the Sack Black Nation a year and a half ago. Don't trip. You can only do what you can do right now today. You can't go back. You can't change yesterday. You can't do anything about what you've done in the past, but you can start today. And we're going to put the link below. You can start today. Get started today, right now, today, and just join the Sack Black Nation Acorn Challenge. And by putting money into an Acorn account every single day, 365 days out of the year, and letting your account grow, and you're going to leave an inheritance to your children's children. That's what's up. That's what this is all about. This is not about me. I'm going to do what I do anyway. I'm going to continue to do what I do anyway. I believe in Circle of seven different sources of income. We're going to be talking about that. You're going to watch some more videos on what we have coming up in the future. We want you to subscribe to the Sack Black Nation, so you understand what it is that we're trying to do. Is not tell you what to do, but show you what we do to grow black wealth. And that's what it's all about. So that's it. That's what I wanted to show you guys, and we're going to give you another update when this account has grown over another $100. So the next time that you hear from me on this platform, that account will be over $3,200. It will be over $3,200, and $3,200, and that's because we're consistently doing what we need to do to grow this account. Please get started today. We're going to put the link below where you can get started, and we have 2 books out there. One is called Okay Now What. We have another one called the somebody pitched me in. Yeah, okay. Stock Flipping the New Side Hustle. Stock Flipping the New Side Hustle. There's also another book out there if you want to purchase. It's also called Creating Black Wealth. The secret to creating black wealth. It's also available on Etsy. We're trying to give information to you. We're not trying to keep anything from you, and we're not trying to take anything from you. We're just trying to get you to where you need to go to create black wealth for you and your family. That's what's happening. That's what we're all about here on the Sack Black Nation. I'm your boy Vic Johnson from the Sack Black Nation. Some call me Six Figure Vic, and that's cool too. So you can check me out on Facebook, Instagram. You can also check me out here on Facebook. That's all I got for you guys, man. We're going to give you another update. It should be fairly soon. But remember, man, take that $5 that you got, invest in yourself, and turn that into 15 grand. 15 grand just by you consistently doing what you need to do for yourself every single day. That's all I got, man. I love you guys. Remember, civil liberties without civil dollars is nonsense. You only earning and learning in life. You only lose when you do not try. You got lessons and blessings in life. Please stay blessed. Other than that, man, I'm gonna see you guys on the flip side and in the next video. So remember, keep banging, keep doing what you need to do. Circle of seven different sources of income. Check out your homeboy right here at the Sack Black Nation, and subscribe if you feel that this is some information that you actually use in the future. Hey, and a big thing right now, man, stay blessed. And you know what? Happy Thanksgiving to every last one of you guys. And I love my subscribers. Tell a friend, please subscribe today. That's all I got. Peace. I'm out.